Welcome to this video where we'll explore why you might be having trouble installing modules in Python despite having downloaded the latest version, 3.12286. If you're watching this, chances are you're interested in programming, or perhaps you've just started your journey with Python and have encountered a roadblock. Don't worry, you're not alone. Installing modules is an essential part of working with Python, as it expands the capabilities of what you can do with the language. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why installing modules might not be working for you in the command prompt, or CMD prompt, even after downloading Python 3.12606. We'll walk through some key concepts and steps to help you understand where things might be going wrong and how you can fix them. First off, let's clarify that Python is an excellent programming language known for its simplicity and the vast number of libraries or modules it offers. These modules are essentially pre-written code packages that you can easily add to your project, making it incredibly powerful for tasks ranging from data analysis to web development. However, sometimes when trying to install these modules using pip, Python's package installer, which is what you'd typically use in the command prompt, things just don't seem to work. You might get error messages, or nothing seems to happen after typing and executing your command. There are several reasons why this could be happening. 1. Path issues. One of the most common issues is that the Python executable path hasn't been added to your system's path environment variable. Think of the path as a list of addresses where your operating system looks for executables when you type commands in the command prompt. If Python isn't listed there, the system won't know where to look for it. 2. Installation. Errors sometimes. There might be issues with how pip is installed or configured on your machine. Maybe pip didn't install correctly, or perhaps its version needs updating. 3. Module-specific issues. It's also possible that the module you're trying to install has some specific requirements or compatibility issues with your current Python version or operating system. To troubleshoot this, let's start by ensuring Python is installed correctly and accessible from the command prompt. You can do a quick check by typing Python version in the command prompt. If it returns the version number without any errors, you're on the right track. Next, try updating pip to ensure you have the latest version capable of handling module installation smoothly. You can do this by running Python npip install, upgrade pip in your command prompt. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be worth reinstalling Python and ensuring that during the installation process, you check the box that asks if you want to add Python to path. This simplifies things for beginners and avoids a lot of potential issues down the line. Ensure Python is correctly installed on your machine. Verify that Python has been added to your system's path environment variable. Keep pip updated to avoid any compatibility or functionality issues. Consider reinstalling Python if you're having persistent troubles, ensuring to add it to path during installation. And there you have it. By now, you should have a better understanding of why you might not be able to install modules in Python despite having the latest version, and how you can go about fixing those issues. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it, subscribing for more content related to programming and technology, and ask any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget, the world of programming is vast and exciting, full of learning opportunities. Keep exploring, stay curious, and happy coding.